Hello everybody, happy Sunday. You know what the date is? 22nd maybe of January. I was not planning to deliver today. I'm running a bunch of errands, but I turned the apps on and I decided that I would, it's interesting, road construction. If something is taking me in the direction I'm going anyways, I will accept it. And I got one, $15.75. Going just a little bit past Costco, so I'm gonna do that and then go to Costco. So it's basically paying me $15.75 to go where I was going anywhere. Anyway, so anyways, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. And after Costco, I need to go to Staples, which is not far from Costco, so chances of getting something else are pretty slim, but hey, you never know. So if I get something, great. If not, great. But that's what I'm gonna do today. I call it opportunity dashing, where it's just paying me to go where I was going anyway. So stay tuned, see how today goes. Yesterday kind of sucked. So I'm hoping today is better. Okay, so today's been pretty good. Not delivery-wise, necessarily, but I'm getting my errands run, and I'm on my third delivery. I did the first one, which I forgot what it was. Where did I go? Anyways, I did the first one. Oh, that Mexican restaurant. I dropped that one off. It was just like about half a mile past Costco. I went to Costco. They didn't have what I wanted. I'm looking for a walker, one with the handlebars and the seat and everything, for my mom who's having back surgery this week. And I wanted to find one, but they had one, but it was super huge and heavy. So that's not really what I'm looking for. Anyways, so then I went to Staples, and when I was in Staples is right across the parking lot really from Costco. Anyways, when I was in there, I got a, wow, my brain is gone. Where did I pick that up from? Oh, Mendocino Farms. And it was going just like a couple miles up, not where, it dropped off at a spot where there's a lot of restaurants.
In a quarter mile, make a right turn on Reynolds Court.
So I dropped that off, and then I got this Poketomic place, which is going, I'm dropping off right now, which is even closer to my house. So I'm working my way this way, but I still need to go to Target, which is past my house. So I'm hoping I get one that will take me even further. But anyways, I'm getting all my stuff banged out that I needed to do, which is fantastic. Went to the car wash.
Make a right turn on Reynolds Court.
Let me go pay attention. I'll be back. Doordash frustrates me so much. They bump me off. Who knows why? Whatever. And it was gray, you know, not busy. I wasn't getting anything at all. So I'm like, okay, fine. I'm just going to go straight to Target. But then I decided to pull in the mall for some reason. Something told me to pull in the mall. I'm like, okay, great. So then I opened DoorDash again, and it let me in. Yay! So now I'm back on DoorDash. And literally 2 seconds later, I get a $16 delivery that's going not exactly to where Target is, but maybe a mile from Target. So getting paid $16 to drive from here over to Target, where I am going next. This next delivery was a total of 4.9 miles. So not bad for $16. And it should be pretty straightforward. It's at the food court at the mall. There are a lot of cars in this parking lot. But I just park in the loading zone and run in there, so not a problem. So I had a $15.75, and then the second one was like 11 something. The third one was 10 something, and now this one's $16. And this is all just getting me to where I was going anyway. Yes, it's taking me a little longer to do all these things I need to do because I'm also sticking these in there. But it's not taking any additional gas really, or I don't know. Anyways, yes, it's probably taking me twice as long to get the errands done because I'm doing this, but it's fine. I'm good with it. So this $16 should take me about 15 minutes. I'm almost there. That's so funny. People don't even look. They just like walk across. You'll stop for me. They don't even glance towards the cars. I mean, I did stop, but I saw them. What if I didn't see them? Oh, police presence here, which is fine. I can park in the loading zone. I am actually going to load. 10-minute parking, it says. If it's more than 10 minutes, I'm not keeping the order, so. Okay, I'll be back. So, pretty awesome. I just left CVS, went to Target to CVS, and then I got this liquor store. And it's delivering like just the neighborhood over from my house. So this kind of worked out pretty good today. I got orders. I mean, I declined a bunch that were going the wrong direction, but the ones that I have taken me right where I want to go. And this one's 10.40 or something like that. It's just a little thing of wine and some 7-Up. But literally it's delivering right near my house, so this is perfect. Anyway, so I'll let you know how much I've made. It's up here, but not really going to go by hourly today because I did so many other things, mostly other things. Sticking in this delivery here and there, but the majority of time I was doing other things. So yeah. So it's really weird, CVS. We came by last night because we had to pick up a prescription. The store was completely closed. It was early too. It was, I don't remember what time it was. 6 maybe? I don't even know what time it was. It wasn't like it was 9 o'clock at night. It was completely closed. The whole store was closed. So then I go now, the store's open, but the pharmacy's closed. They said until 2:30. I'm not sure what happens at 2:30, but I don't know if they just don't have staff. I'm not really sure what the deal is, but anyways, go back later. So anyways, thanks for coming with me today. Hope it was interesting, and hope you're having a great day and have a wonderful upcoming week.